Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will make a force field shader and I will use some transparency and some math to construct the force field shader effect. Let's start. I will start by creating a shader script. I will create the standard surface shader. I will call force field shader, and I will create a material. I call force field material. I also create a sphere on hierarchy. This is our mesh that I render force field. Here is the sphere. I will scale okay. I will start VS Code. I will create a property called transparency or transparent. It will be a range. Declare the variable. Oops. Okay. Oh. We achieve this effect, but we have some problems. Render type is transparent. QE also is transparent. Okay. This is our effect. Okay. I will disable gizmos. Okay. I will create a player, a cube player. This is the player position. Okay. I will define a force field color. And declare the variable for the color. Okay. Oh. Go back to material and set up the force field color. Okay. And now I will use some vectors, normal vectors of sphere, and create an effect to view this player across the force field. I will access the normal. I will set the view vector as equal word. And declare the intensity of color and transparency. Only transparency. We don't have access to normal. I will get the normal using word normal and view dir. Okay. I will remove this in ponto in dot view dir in dot word normal. This intensity. Okay. But I will invert this intensity. Okay. Oh. This is the effect that I want. Transparent. 1 minus intensity. I will create a new property, call it intensity. Its range from 0 to 1, starting at 1, and declare the variable float intensity. I need the invert only. Okay. And we have our fault. Still missing cool off. Okay. Some effects need to work on behind the force field shader. I will use this dot product as an ABS. Okay. This is our force field shader effect. Okay. I hope you like this work.